We do know what we're doing. We are, quote, professionals, so please don't try this at home, guys.
And some people might think, I can do this at home and do it myself! But you can't. We're professionals.
I'm actually a microwave specialist. I was trained by the government. CIA.
Secret agent. We need to introduce the place.
Oh yeah, this place.
Oh, this place.
It's the VidCon Microwave Laboratory.
But wait. Just like tradition, we have to number it. And this is the VidCon Microwave Laboratory 1.0.
Aren't you guys further along than that? We kind of are. But as you can see, we do not have much safety up here. I forgot to tinfoil. This will be a roasted nuts affair. So we had to go with one. I think it's legally.
Well, if any girls want to come up and protect them, you can come up.
Oh,
maybe after the show. Alright, I got a plug right here.
Look at this thing. Look at this beautiful behemoth of a microwave.
We have to give it a name.
Okay, let's go with, Ellie. No, wait. Michelle.
I love that name. Michelle.
No, wait. Can I name her?
Wait, what's wrong with Michelle?
I want to name her after my favorite all-time YouTuber, Justine.
I can get behind that. Can we do that?
Okay, fine.
So we have the light bulbs, right? They're in here already?
Justine.
Oh,
let's make a hush. There's an energy. That's right about that.
Okay, here we are.
Okay, so we got here 2 light bulbs. VidCon told us, we want you guys to microwave something awesome, but no fire. Now this ran counterintuitive. Right?
Yeah, about 90% we do
no smoke,
fire.
no stank. So we had to go with light bulbs. But we tried these out last night. Promise you, amazing. Amazing.
So we're gonna put them in there.
Ready? I'll toss them when you do it.
Alright, you put it in the microwave.
The trays off.
Treat it down.
Alright.
There we are. 1, 2.
Alright, now there's also tradition. We have to put it in there for a set amount of time.
How long should we put it in there for?
I heard somebody say 69.
I did not think so.
I heard that. Definitely.
I don't think...
Maybe I
Yeah, let's put it in there randomly.
We might actually need longer than that, and that would be...
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have the microwave now. Plus we add a 0 onto that. That would be so kosher. Okay. So now, the next thing, I guess we just have to get out of here.
We're going to back up. We're going to turn the house lights down.
Get those lights down.
Did everyone see that?
Did everyone see the microwave?
Oh, you will be. I'm kidding. You will be.
I want to issue a warning to everyone in the crowd. The following will shock and amaze you.
If we do it right.
Yeah, if we do it right. All right. So Riley, I would like
to
to
start
behind
on the
you.
guitar.
The meat shield.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready,
We
Joey.
need a countdown to the start.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start. We'll go from 3 down, and I'll go on the beat after. So let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Is it going? Oh, yeah. There's one left, right?
There's one left.
We're going to start cracking.
Isn't that the most beautiful shade of purple? Okay, let's see. This is not smoke. Don't worry.
All right, now, quick show of hands. How many people need to change their diapers now?
That depends. I'm working on that.
You're terrible.
Okay, so I guess we have to open her up and I sure hope this isn't hot, because we even forgot this. Oh man, it's a lot of little shards of
Hey,
glass.
you guys are getting free stuff all day. How about...
No,
okay,
okay, maybe we'll try throwing the microwave.
You go to jail for that, you know.
We need a verdict now.
All right, we have to decide. The whole point of the show is it is a good idea
Flowing stuff.
Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Vlog Brothers. This is